haven't explained in a while why I put, ooh, sorry about my hands, but I've just been doing that. The reason why I put in the wood at the same time without even lighting the lump wood underneath is because the lump wood takes faster with the wood on it. I've tried it without the wood. I've tried it in a chimney starter. This for me is the fastest and the best way. So I do like sticking my wood on at the same time, catching them both at the same time, and it just works for me. So I'm not sure, I think other people do it different ways. I think you've just got to do the way that you think is easiest and fastest for you. I'm going to get on now and light. Oh. Unbelievably, that's the first time I've done that, and hopefully the last. Oh my gosh, it's rolled halfway down the oven. Okay, I love these gloves. Whew. I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to use a new tool I bought recently. It's a pasta pizza roller. So I'm gonna not do the outer edges. Okay, so I'm going to just get that on the peel. As you know, I'm not great at stretching, but I'm not sure if I'm great at using a rolling pin either. I suppose the good thing about this, if it works, is that you can roll it and still keep the air at the ends. I mean, if you're not a good stretcher like me, this might be a good solution. Although, even though I've got this tool, I really do need to learn how to stretch properly, or make my dough good enough for it to stretch properly, so it's a bit of help when you need it, I guess. Okay, let's see how this cooks. I'm gonna put this in. So this is wood-fired dough. I'm using the wood flame recipe dough for this. This is cooking real fast as well. Don't talk when I'm moving the peel. I must remember not to talk when I'm moving the peel. Okay, so let's give this a cut. Ham's cooked nicely on there, and so is that tomato. Give that a try. If you're not great at stretching, like me, then you might find this tool helpful because it does actually give you a crust. So I like it. I know I'm still going to practice stretching because I know I need to do that. But if it's if you're stuck and your dough's playing up and your stretching isn't going very well, I can't see why not. The tomatoes have cooked. It's lovely. Bit. Air bubble there, we cut through that. I love the way the ham is cooked, right on the edge. Very nice. I'm impressed with this tool. It's really good. Very good.